Hi, today I'm reviewing the Clinique Marimekko Clinique Lip Splash. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase all these products with my own money, so you know you can trust my opinion is what I honestly believe. And if you want to help support the channel, click on the Amazon link below before you make your purchase. So Clinique has teamed up with Marimekko, which is a Finnish textile design group. They make textiles, they make dresses, clothes, home furnishings. So Clinique has kind of teamed up with them to kind of collaborate on this lip gloss, which probably is why they have kind of a fun, different kind of packaging with it this time. But they sell for $18.50, and they definitely have a lot of different colors. The color I picked up is called Espresso Pop, and it's actually what I'm wearing right now. So let me give you a little review. Ike is stopping in for the review until he gets bored, which will probably be pretty quick. What do you think, Ike? He's having a tough day. It's snowing, so there's not much for him to do. So anyway, so let me go off my 10 criteria. And my first criteria is packaging. And this got a thumb up. It's packaged very nicely. They've done a good job. And it has a nice applicator, a nice doe foot applicator, which makes it pretty easy to apply. You'll definitely want to wipe off some of the excess gloss before you apply it to your lips, but overall the packaging is pretty beautiful. And the second criteria is fragrance, and this doesn't have any taste or fragrance to it at all. So I definitely gave it a thumb up for that. With lip products, I'm a little weird about fragrance. If it's got a vanilla taste, it doesn't bother me. But if it has like a perfumey taste, or like a floral taste, I can't do it. It interferes with my coffee and food and everything else. But this doesn't have any taste at all. So definitely got a thumb up from me there. The third criteria is denatured alcohol, and this does not contain any denatured alcohol. So it got a thumb up for me there. This is definitely pretty hydrating feeling on your lips. It doesn't leave your lips feeling dry at all, and it fades pretty evenly. So I can definitely appreciate, most lip glosses are pretty hydrating, but there are definitely some out there that after they fade off, they leave your lips feeling dry and peeling, and this doesn't have that at all. And then my fourth criteria is location of manufacturing, and this is made in Canada, so no issues there. And then the fifth criteria is ease of use, and this is pretty easy to use. The doe foot applicator makes it easy to apply it all over your lips. So I gave it a thumb up there. And then the sixth criteria is pigmentation or antioxidants. And this is, for a lip gloss, it's decently pigmented. I'm wearing it right now, so you kind of get a feeling of what it looks like on your lips. But let me give you a little swatch there. But definitely, if you tend to like darker colors, definitely pick out one of the darker colors. The lighter ones are kind of tend to fade a little bit with your lips. But if you pick out one of the darker than you think you would want, because I know this is definitely darker than I normally would want, but you definitely want to get that because when it fades pretty evenly, but you get a little more bang for your buck with it. So I gave it a thumb up there. And then in terms of antioxidants, this contains some good ones. Watermelon, which has lycopene in it, which is a good antioxidant. Tocopherol acetate, which is a good antioxidant, and sodium hyaluronate, which isn't necessarily an antioxidant as much as an emollient, but so it's got some good ones in there. For lip gloss, most are pretty basic and don't contain a lot of antioxidants, but this one does contain some. And then my number 7 criteria is animal testing, and unfortunately Clinique does test on animals. So it gets a thumb down there. We do not want to test on animals like Ike, right, Ike? Or any animals. So that's unfortunate. So it gets a thumb down there. And then in terms of performance, I gave this a thumb up because it definitely lasts. It transfers, but it's not super sticky like a lot of other lip glosses are, which I can appreciate, and it fades evenly and also leaves your lips feeling nice. And then in terms of price, I gave it a thumb up there. $18.50, I guess it just depends on, what kind of brands you like. But for a lip gloss, it's not ridiculous for lip gloss sold in stores like Sephora. And then in terms of the it factor, I gave it a thumb up as well. It's fun. Lip glosses are having a moment now. And this is definitely a good one to join the pack. So overall, this got a 8 on my scale of 1 to 10, which is a 1 thumb up. So it's pretty decent. So Ike, you want to come say bye to everybody? Ike says bye. Can you even see him? Yeah, you kind of blend in, don't you? But anyway, I'm interested if you guys have had a chance to give this a try yet or not. And if so, what your thoughts were, how did you like it, and what colors did you pick up? So pretty fun from Clinique. Clinique always tends to make pretty good products. So what are you checking out, Ike? Oh, Ike is interested in the Glow Recipe watermelon. He likes watermelon, actually, for a dog. Carrots and watermelon are... he's a big fan of, so we don't want him to get in that watermelon sleeping mask ever. So anyway, leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. Feel free to subscribe if you're not already. I come with at least one new review every day, and check out nobsbeauty.net. Thank you so much, guys.